Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to redeem Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know how to redeem Roblox gift card. Maybe because you are a person who loves playing games on Roblox and you have purchased a gift card to get Robux from it. And now you don't know how to avail the Robux from it, like you don't know how to redeem it, or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to redeem Roblox gift card. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can redeem a Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the descriptions, you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Roblox app. In case you don't have one, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. And also make sure you have a Roblox gift card. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. The app will just take a while to load and then you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top you could see we have three options. If you go with the middle option, you will land here, and then at the top you could see how much Robux you have, and at the bottom you can purchase different Robux, but we don't have any option through which you could redeem a Roblox gift card. Therefore, get back and open a browser. I'm choosing Google Chrome, but you can go with any browser of your choice. At the search bar, you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you also go with the same link as I have described. Once you tap onto that link, you will land onto this website. Here you could see we have this interface. So at the top right, we have an option which says redeem card. With the help of that, you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste the code of your card. If you have a physical card, then on the back side of it there is a scratch option. Scratch it and you will find a code that you have to type here. If you have a virtual card like me, then you will receive the code via mail or any other source. That code you have to copy and paste it here. Once you paste that code, and now you just have to simply scroll down and click onto this redeem option. By redeeming it, it will just redeem the Robux from that card and will give it to you. Now it's time to get back and open the Roblox app. Once you open the app, there you will see that you have successfully received the Robux from redeeming your Roblox gift card. Now if you want to spend the points, you can go to the marketplace to get different things for your character, and within the game you can get other stuff. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can redeem a Roblox gift card. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.